Hey, contractors and all you PEO policy holders, I'm here today to give you some advice on what to look for when you get that first invoice and see how you could calculate your total cost. Now, what I'm looking at here, I'm not going to show the name of the carrier. We do work with them, and this is nothing against them specifically. But this is just an example. We do use several PEOs that have higher rates or lower rates. It really depends on what type of risk. This is for a roofer, so you can see already. We're gonna explain where your money is coming up. This was an old invoice, but just one little tip. The year you sign up your PEO is the year that they're going to give you your workers' comp rate. So about 5 years ago, the rates were like 15, 20%. And now for 2024, I believe it's down to 8.24%. So it's been going down. So if you're stuck, you got that carrier specifically in 2018 and you haven't changed it, you can actually tell them, hey, I want the new 2024 rates, and they can modify your pricing. So that's a tip for you guys that you can do. So here we're looking at the total wages, $23.80. That is their payroll. And then we have Medicare. That's pretty standard. That's always going to be at 7.65. We have the state unemployment tax, which is 0.6%. I'm sorry. And then we have the SUTA, which here you see $107.10. If we do the math, 107 divided by 23.80, and the SUTA rate is 4.5%. And then we have the workers' comp. This is what you guys are here for, right? The workers' comp is $359.49. When we do the math, it's actually 15.1%. So you can see you're already paying double in premium here just because you're not updated to the 2024 rates. And then with 24, you're already going to cut that in half. But what really is what you're going to see, and I'm sure you're going to see this and you're going to freak out, you can see that the workers' comp admin adjustment for roofers is $390.51. That's on top of what they already paid for. So they're paying 15%, and now they're paying another $390. That means their minimum when they signed that first contract was $750 minimum workers' comp. And you ask, why so much? Why not go elsewhere? Well, the reason is specifically this client must have had a large claim, and they inflate the cost. Usually, depending on where you are at Florida, it could have different rates. So in South Florida, specifically from Palm Beach and lower, they're around $400 minimum workers' comp fees. Central, I think, is like $150 or $200, and then North Florida is like $100, $150. So obviously, the more north you go, the cheaper that minimum workers' comp is. So this could be really pricey for you smaller contractors that only have a small amount of wages, $2,380. If you're interested and you're looking to improve your policy and no more admin fees, I have roofing carriers that, as long as you have a license, minimum payroll of $75K, and the sub exposure below 25%, I have a market for you. Just got to pass that inspection. And if you do, then we have a great opportunity to get you your own policy. We carve out the payroll separately because we got to do the audit now. So that's very important. So if you're interested, click the link below. It goes straight to our website. You can fill out the questionnaires there, and you can get a quote through one of our carriers. We'll schedule that inspection, and we'll get that policy for you guys and get you out of this carrier and no more admin fees. All right, so talk to you later, guys. Have a great one.